Thank you for purchasing the Solid Stance Step Stabilizer Kit by Lippert Components. This is one of the most versatile RV step enhancements on the market that can ground most standard entry steps for improved stability and convenience. This kit is compatible with all LCI double and triple steel radius steps, as well as our double and triple Alumitread hybrid aluminum steps, plus a wide variety of non-LCI assemblies. Before beginning your installation, follow these guidelines. Support the unit according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Make sure the unit is parked on solid, level ground. When parking the unit on extremely soft surfaces, use load distribution pads under each jack. Clear all jack landing locations of debris and obstructions. Landing locations should also be free of depressions. Chock all of the tires. You will need the following to complete the installation: cordless or electric drill or screw gun, appropriate drill bits, 3/8 inch deep well socket, measuring tape, and a non-permanent method of marking. To begin, place the steps in the stowed position or fold up the bottom step with a support in between the bottom step and the step above it. Measure the width of the step and mark the center. Place the solid stance up against the front lip of the bottom step. Make sure the spring-loaded pins are facing towards the unit once the bottom step is in the deployed position. Measure the width of the solid stance step stabilizer and mark the center. Now, align the center of the solid stance with the center of the step. Again, make sure that the solid stance is against the front lip of the step. Next, clamp or hold the solid stance in the centered position on the step. Lift the drop legs up to reveal 4 pre-drilled holes in the base of the drop leg channel. Mark the 4 pre-drilled hole locations, 2 pre-drilled holes on each end of the drop leg channel. Remove the solid stance. At the 4 marked locations, drill a 3/16 inch hole through the step. Replace the solid stance back into position on the step. Install the supplied number 10 24 by 3/4 inch fasteners through the drilled holes located at the top of the step, going through the tread area into the pre-drilled holes of the solid stance drop leg channel. Secure the solid stance with 4 provided number 10 24 nylon locking nuts. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Components customer service at 574-537-8900 or support@support.lci1.com or email to customerservice@lci1.com. Be sure to download the My LCI app. Thanks for watching.